The planning and trying is in progress and you have all the information you need, and very soon, you are sure you'll have a little angel growing inside you. But you cannot hold the excitement any longer and you want to check for conception even before you miss your period. Here's a way you can do so without having to spend any extra money on pregnancy kits. While there is no concrete proof that these tests give accurate results, a lot of people swear by them. Pregnancy tests with salt, sugar, bleach, toothpaste, vinegar or soap water are the most common ones. When should you do the test? If you are opting to try the salt pregnancy test, you need to also when it would be most effective. To get the most accurate results with this salt pregnancy test, you need to try it on the 5th day of ovulation. Since you will already be tracking your ovulation dates, this should not be a problem to figure out. However, before you try this method out, let's look at exactly what the process is and how do you go about testing for pregnancy using salt. How does the salt pregnancy test work? Before we read about homemade pregnancy tests, we were surprised to know what reactions urine and common household supplies may cause. We know you are too. And while it's tough to believe the authenticity behind a pregnancy test using salt, it could be a fun try. The procedure to doing this homemade test is simple. You will need some salt, of course, a transparent container and an alarm. Why an alarm? It's because you need to remember to use only the first urine in the morning for the test to get the most concentrated level of HCG detected. Take your glass container and collect your urine sample first thing in the morning. Add 3/4 of a teaspoon of salt to this sample. Wait for about a minute or two and observe the changes/reactions that may take place in the solution. What changes are you looking for? If you notice milk-like curdling, this is a sign of conception. Bits of white crumb-like textures were noticed in tests that were positive. You can follow up with another test to be sure. Expectation from a salt pregnancy test. With the salt pregnancy test, you can expect to get early results of pregnancy by a cheap and effective method. However, most couples feel like store-bought kits may provide a more accurate answer. The truth is, much like these homemade pregnancy tests, the store-bought ones too do not give you a guarantee of accuracy. These tests must be done at yours and your partner's own discretion. Know that these can only satiate your curiosity and give you some hope as you wait to conceive. Eventually, an appointment with your doctor and an ultrasound will give you the most accurate result. You'll just have to wait a little longer. In the meantime, enjoy spending time together and enjoy each moment of baby making. After all, these intimate moments may be harder to find when you have a little bundle of cuteness crying his eyes out all night.